We want medium and small factories can use our robot. We will let even the most small factories can use robot. This is purpose of Jihoyen Robot. The robot market is still belong to European brand in 2014. Jihoyen Robot don't want to directly compete with them. We focus on medium and small factories and we mainly produce welding robots. Jihoyen's target is very clear. Those small factories have small scale and less funds. 80% factories in China is small factory, and almost all the small factories need high technical machines urgently. And small factories need upgrade automatic ability to increase their market competitiveness. Jihoyen Company works together with some famous graduate school to get more technical support. Jihoyen Company now have 20 kinds of industrial robots, and they are the first company in China to develop welding robots. Companies in China don't want to develop welding robot and applications. The most popular products is handling robot, because handling robots only require the start and end, and it don't need so much accuracy. But many of robot welding applications need four-position welding, and the work pieces are always different and complex. And the welding seam will have different shape, so the welding robot needs high accuracy. Jihoyen Company thought this is a chance for them. Then they are focused on developing welding robots, and now they have mass production. The robots are used in many industries, such as auto parts, electrical car and motor car, steel furniture, fitness equipment, medical instruments, new energy, steel structure, kitchen light fixture, construction machinery, building template, power tower, and so on. Welding robot will need to confirm the robot's stability, speed and accuracy, and also we need to think about the welding process, parameter of welding power source, welding speed, welding sequence, angle of touch, welding material, workpiece, gas protection, clamps, and so on. Jihoyen welding robot has made this serious technical matching fusion. Welding engineers are always working in hard environment. There are a lot of radiation, high temperature, and scald. The welding smoke can lead to lung disease. Welding arc is harmful for eyes. The engineers need to wear heavy clothes, also in hot weather. Now, in the factory, 80% of welding engineers are old men. Young people don't want to work as welding engineers. So, in future, it will be very difficult to find good workers. Now, all the factories need welding robot and applications. So, we're coming with good robot. Good welding engineer can get very good welding results. It is due to